to see, a lot to do. Recently I've realized I like doing it all with you. Take my hand, twirl me around, hold me close, don't ever put me down. Every time I look at you, you're looking back at me, my dear.
Hello everybody, so today I'm taking Rainl down to Marley's farm so that I can get one of my more advanced students to school him. He's personally my little baby boy. He's 5 years old. I can tell Rainl's a tiny bit scared of his new surrounding, but he's definitely chomping at the bit to get ridden, and he looks at the jumps and he's excited to go over them. So I'm really happy that he is getting this opportunity, and thank you to Marley for letting us use his lovely property for today. And yeah, it's gonna be really, Rainl's only been ridden by me, so I'm excited to see how he behaves under a different rider. Good, but keep contact on him and stay back on him. Don't yank, but keep contact. Good. Circle him. Don't let him get ahead of you. Good, leg back calm. Okay, that's fine. Little overfold though. Straightness, remember straightness, Rachel. You're galloping, slow him down, but don't yank, Rachel. Stop. Yes, stop putting your leg on him like that. Good, but don't pull him to the jump. Okay, no, circle him and go over that again. Oh, that was fine. Get off his back a little bit. You're just pulling on it. Today was so awesome for both Rachel and Rainl. I could see Rainl having fun, and Rachel just learning, and just as the lesson unfolded, Rachel relaxing on him, and they just had a great time. I'm so excited for the eventing trials I have coming up, seeing that other people can ride Rainl and still have fun and still ride well. So
There's a lot to see, a lot to do. Recently I've realized I like doing it all with you. Take my hand.
today was amazing. Rainl did so good. He literally shocked me with how well behaved he was. I hope you guys enjoyed spending a morning with me, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these. Make sure to turn on notifications so you guys can see next time I do this, and love you guys.
Can't remember how to say your